Yo, what's up? Kuya Rene Boy here. Ito guys, mabilisan lang no sa mga naghahanap ng work from home job. Comment sa baba, work from home. Okay, sa mga naghahanap naman ng part-time role, okay, comment sa baba ng part-time role. Meron po tayong hiring dito, Executive Assistant to the CEO, $8 per hour. And then, ito po yung job overview. Okay? So, all you need to do is to visit reneai.work. Gawa lang po kayo ng account nyo dyan. reneai.work. And then kapag nakapag-create kayo ng account, ayan, dito po kayo mapupunta. Makikita nyo rin dito, marami na po na-hire. And hopefully, ikaw na yung susunod. Okay? So, napaka-basic lang ng gagawin natin ha. All you need to do is to visit reneai.work. And then, kapag na-visit nyo na yung reneai.work, pwede na kayo mag-apply sa loob. Meron ditong work from home job board. Okay, laging paunahan guys. Kaya kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa YouTube channel ko, make sure na na-click nyo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated kayo. Kasi kada meron akong work from home update, palaging paunahan. Okay, so kapag ready na kayo mag-apply, punta lang kayo dito sa work from home job alerts ng reneai.work. Marami po tayong hiring dito. Kapag kinlik ninyo yung work from home job board na yan, meron tayong hiring ng online English teacher, Amazon account manager, meron din tayong hiring ng virtual assistant, finance, ayan, meron din tayong executive assistant to the CEO, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. So ito guys, pwede nyo na po itong apply ngayon. Kung hindi nyo pa gamay ang pagiging EA or pagiging executive assistant, meron din tayong dito mga certification or academy sa loob ni Reni AI. And this is 100% free. Okay, meron tayong introduction to VA, may SMM 101, may artificial intelligence for virtual assistants, bookkeeping, Go level specialist role, etc. etc. Meron ding executive assistant modules na pwede ninyong i-take. And after taking the modules and quizzes, meron po kayo matatanggap na certificate sa email ninyo automatically na wala pong bayad. Okay, kaya kung ready ka na, pwede rin kayo mag-build ng portfolio inside Reni AI. Ayan guys, lalagay nyo lang po yung pangalan ninyo dito. Ayan. And kung sana pong magkakaroon ng changes dun sa kabila. Okay, so yung iba, alam ko yung iba sa inyo nagpo-post sa Online Jobs PH or sa nagpo-post sa mga Facebook groups. Paano gumawa ng portfolio, sino mo pwedeng gumawa ng website portfolio, magbabayad kayo. So dito guys, makakagawa kayo ng libre. Ito na yung magiging portfolio link ninyo. Ito na rin yung ipapasa nyo dun sa client. So instant, meron ka ng portfolio. Ito na yung isasubmit mo sa mga client ninyo. Okay? And this is free din po sa loob ng AI. Okay? So kapag may portfolio ka na, pwede rin may pag-practicean sa AI ang interview. May interview coach. Meron din cover letter. So kung ikaw ay tag dito, hindi pa marunong gumawa ng cover letter, magagamit ito. So, community tab, makikita nyo dito yung mga na-hire na ng mga tao sa loob ng platform natin and then pwedeng-pwede nyo na pong ma-enjoy si Reni AI. Okay? So, sa calendar, meron din dito. Ayan po, makikita ninyo, calendar. And then, meron din tayong earn and refer program. Kung gusto niyo kumita through referral, pwede kayong kumita ng 100 pesos kada tao na magkiklik dyan sa unique referral link ninyo kasi maraming gusto maging VA. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, sobrang dami nagre-refer dito sa Reni AI. Isang post lang nila ng link nila sa mga Facebook groups, ng mga virtual assistant, mga freelancer, and then sinasabi nila na may mga internship program sa loob ni Reni AI, may mga hiring, and then may mga libreng platform katulad ng portfolio builder, may interview coach. Kaya marami po talaga magkiklik ng link ninyo. Sa dashboard, kung willing na kayong mag-start ng internship, ayan, meron din siyang internship program. Click nyo lang po ito, libre din yan. Join the internship program. Okay, and then every Wednesday, every Saturday, meron din kaming mga meeting, orientation, pwede din po kayong umattend. Okay, so yung mga recordings naman natin, itong recordings natin ay worth 30,000 pesos na recordings, pero pwedeng-pwede nyo na po yan mabuksan kung kayo po ay mag-upgrade into Pro. Okay, click nyo lang yung upgrade into Pro, yung worth 30,000, makukuha nyo po yung access na recording, libre na po. Okay, pati yung mga exclusive training namin every Wednesday, 8 p.m., makakasali din kayo doon. And then magkakaroon kayo ng access sa pitch calculator and marami pang iba. Meron din kami blueprint na tinatawag na kung saan matututo kayo ng AI automation, matututo kayo ng pagiging social media manager. Yung mga blueprint na yon, medyo pricey yon, pero matatanggap ninyo ng free kapag nag-upgrade kayo into Pro. Yun yung mga benefits ng mga nag-upgrade into Pro kasi baka magtaka kayo, kaya rin ang dami nag-upgrade into Pro. So, yun po, yung mga pwede nyo gawin. So, pero kung ikaw ay mag-apply na dun sa Executive Assistant role na pinakita ko kanina, punta lang po kayo sa Work From Home job board and then click nyo lang po yan and then click apply. So, ito yung mga role, ito yung mga tag dito, yung tungkol sa company. Pay range $8 per hour with a performance review scheduled after 90 days of employment. We believe in rewarding exceptional talents. So yan yung details ng company, competencies, ayan. Equipment requirements, there you go. Physical requirements. So at least meron kayong laptop or computer sa bahay. Benefits, growth opportunities in a well-established company, ongoing training and professional development opportunities, opportunity for advance within the company, and then how to apply, you just need to click the link na binigay nila para makapag-apply. Okay? So yun guys, hopefully makapag-start na rin kayo. Marami nagiging executive assistant. Pero ang pinaka-payo ni Kuya Renny Boy, mabilis nyo makuha yung role na yan kung gagawin niyo yung mga payo ni Kuya Renny Boy sa mga exclusive training namin. Ano yung idadagdag mo dyan sa executive assistant title na yan para mas mangibabaw yung application mo kumpara sa ibang mga applicants ng VA. Okay? Kaya marami nakakapasa dito sa Ready AI kasi natututunan nila lahat yan. So hopefully gumawa ka na rin sa sarili mong Ready AI account. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link dyan sa baba, sa description, or ipipin ko na lang sa comment section. Okay? Shoutout sa lahat ng mga nagpapa-shoutout. Don't forget to subscribe kasi marami pa work from home na i-update sa inyo. Okay? Shoutout sa lahat na nagpapa-shoutout dyan. God bless us all. So, panoorin itong video na ito sa dulo guys ha. Magagamit niyo yung pitch calculator. Di ba, meron akong pinakita sa inyo kanina yung pitch calculator. Ito. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gumagana. And kapag nagustuhan ninyo kung paano ito nag-perform, pwede na rin kayo mag-upgrade agad-agad into Pro. Shoutout sa lahat na nagpapa-shoutout. Watch this video. And then, subscribe pagkatapos ng video na to. Okay?
Hi, Sarah. Thank you so much for taking the call today. Before we talk about skills or resumes, I actually want to understand your business first. Because the goal isn't just to hire a virtual assistant, it's to recover time, increase output, and stop revenue from leaking every month.
Oh, wow. Okay, that sounds interesting.
So let me ask you something. If I could give you back 2 to 4 hours every single day, what would you use that extra time for?
Honestly, probably sales and client acquisition. I barely even get time for growth lately.
Got it. So roughly how many hours per day do you personally spend on admin tasks? Things like emails, scheduling, and reports.
At least 4 hours a day.
And if you were billing your own time, what would 1 hour of your time be worth to the business?
Probably around $500 an hour.
And how many important tasks get delayed every week because you're overloaded? Growth tasks, not busy work.
Honestly, a lot. Maybe 3 major tasks every single week.
Last one. How many emails or messages do you receive daily that require replies or action?
Probably 50 or more emails every single day.
All right, so based on your numbers, you're currently spending around 88 hours every single month on operational tasks. At your hourly value, that's over $43,000 worth of executive time being consumed by admin. And when we include delayed growth tasks, missed follow-ups, and operational bottlenecks, the real monthly opportunity cost reaches over. That is over $80,000.
Wait, are you serious? I never even looked at it that way before.
And that's exactly why I do what I do. My goal isn't just to become your assistant, my goal is to buy back your time. So you can focus on scaling the business instead of getting trapped in operations. I can help manage your inbox, handle scheduling, and organize follow-ups. So for around $1,000 per month, you potentially recover over $56,000 in productive capacity. That's a 56 times return on investment. How does that sound?
Honestly, that's fantastic. You're not talking like a normal VA. You're thinking like a business consultant. And the crazy part is, you're absolutely right. I definitely want to hear more. When can we start?
And that is how you amaze clients. That's how you stop sounding like a beginner and start sounding like a business asset. They're no longer asking for cheap rates. They're excited to pay for your value. Upgrade to Pro today and unlock Rene AI's Pitch Calculator. It will guide you step by step on how to position yourself smart, confident, and professional during discovery calls. Until clients become excited to onboard you immediately. Don't just apply. Position yourself like a premium virtual assistant